And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 30. Let me show you how I can reverse a video. I'm going to use this one. We put it in the timeline, and in the last video I've shown you can hold Alt and then left click drag to create a copy. So we have the same clip now 2 times. Just watch the moving car. And right here where the second clip starts, it jumps back to the start position. We're going to select the second clip, and then we go to this menu right here, hover over it, and the reverse option is the second one. Left click on it. Going to take some time depending on how long the clip is. We're done now, and if you watch now what happens, the car has a seamless transition, so it basically moves upwards, and then where the second clip starts, it moves backwards because this clip is now reversed. So start point is now the end point to start point, and therefore it's a seamless transition. Again, make sure that your clip is active, otherwise this option will be unavailable. You can see that in the top menu. So just left click on the one that you want to reverse, and then you should find it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.